Colorful morning to all my dear loving students. I hope you are getting all the recorded classes regularly. Dear students, take it seriously because next month, that is in the month of September, you will be having your first bi-monthly. And maintaining notes is mandatory. Once you come to school, definitely all the subject teachers will supervise your notes. And this week, we'll be giving all the notes. Maintain it neatly, write neatly, use good pen, and no spelling mistakes should be done. Just keep your textbook aside, just cross-check with the notes, which are all the spellings you have to write. Open your eyes, then write correct spellings in the notes. So dear students, in the last class we discussed about insectivorous plants. We took 3 examples. One was pitcher plant, the second was Venus flytrap and bladderwort. So what are these insectivorous plants and why do they feed on the insects, or why do they want the nitrogen, isn't it? So the plants which are grown in the area where there is nitrogen deficiency, to overcome this, these plants are modified in such a way that they are very brightly colored. They attract the insect. When the insect comes and sits on the rim or any of the part of the plant body, they just trap the insect. Once the insect gets inside to that plant body, there are some digestive glands which are present, okay? And that digests the animal protein, and thereby these plants will get sufficient amount of nitrogen for their growth and development. This was all about my previous class. In today's class, let us discuss about vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? So we all know that maximum of the plants, they are grown from seeds, isn't it? Seeds, when they are sown in the soil, they give rise to new plant. So this is what we know. But there is some different methods. Like some of the plants, they grow differently. That is, the plants, most of the plants, some plants, they propagate from different parts, like root, stem, leaves and buds. This is known as vegetative propagation. Okay, let me repeat the definition. Usually we know that maximum of the plants, they are grown, not new plants. They arrive from the seeds. When the seeds are sown in the soil, the new plant grow. But we have different sector of plants. Okay, some plants they propagate, means they grow from different parts of the plant, like root, stem, leaves and buds. This is known as vegetative propagation. Is it clear? And one example I can give you is the rose plant. And also this hibiscus. So these are the plants which are grown with the help of the stem. It's not compulsory that even the root should be there or seeds only should be there. If you cut a stem of this particular plant and you just bury or just you come in touch with the soil, okay, then this will give rise to a new plant. So this is all about the vegetative propagation. Now let us deal with an activity. Okay, we have taken bryophyllum. This is a very special plant. Okay, this is a complete structure of the bryophyllum. The stem and the leaves. So just observe here, there are some extra structures grown on the leaf margin. Okay, on this leaf margin. You know this is a leaf margin, right? There is a end part, the outline of the leaf is known as leaf margin. And on this leaf margin, there are some special structures found. And those structures are called buds, leaf buds. So for this leaf buds, along with these leaf buds, there are adventitious roots. soil and collect all the mineral salts and water. But these are adventitious roots which are found on the aerial part, okay, that is on the soil, above the soil, okay. And these buds which are found in the leaf margin, when they fall on the soil, when they bury, isn't it? They come in contact with the soil, they get all the essential nutrients and they start giving rise to new plant. This is new plant. Is it clear? So this method of growing of new plant is what we call as vegetative propagation. Is it clear now? So what is vegetative propagation? Apart from seeds, from any of the different parts, it may be the stem, it may be the leaf or leaflets or buds. Those such type of plants are known as vegetative propagating plants. An example we have taken is bryophyllum. This bryophyllum, they give rise to new plant with the help of the buds which are found on the leaf margin, and then too because of this adventitious roots. And one more point, these leaves will be having all the stuff, all the food just to nourish these buds. Okay. Once, why? Because they get detached. Once they get detached because of the water or air or animals, when they fall on the soil, they give rise to new plants. Is it clear now? Yes. So dear students, watch the video not less than 3 times. Okay. Carefully, slowly with your headphones, and also refer the textbook. Read the textbook word by word. It's very interesting. These concepts are definitely, it will be carrying up to +2, that's to your PUC. You are so very lucky, you are in ICSE school, you are getting the knowledge very advanced. So dear students, make use of these recording classes. Definitely you will be getting home assignments. Meet you in my next class. Be happy and be safe.